Hi everyone, this is Hope and welcome back to the Web3 Planet. Today I want to talk about a new app that I think will be super popular in crypto community for instant messaging and private groups surrounding crypto and DeFi topics, and it's called Beoble. So as always in this video, we're going to check all the important information about this project, learn why this project has huge potential, and in the end of the video, I will share with you my price predictions. So as I mentioned before, today we're talking about Beoble, and they present themselves as the chat solutions for Web3 people, the most fun you will have in a wallet-to-wallet messaging app. So basically, Beoble is a communication infrastructure and ecosystem that allows users to chat between wallets, and their main product includes a web-based chat app as well as a toolkit that allows dApps to integrate. The app supports most major wallets and all messages are end-to-end encrypted. So I think that Beoble's project concept is really innovative, and the idea of making communication directly between wallets in the Web3 space, it's not only practical but also adds a layer of convenience and security for users. And I really like that they are not just creating a messaging app, but an entire ecosystem around it, providing a toolkit for dApps to integrate easily. Also, another thing I really like is that they make sure you enjoy chatting while keeping your messages super safe with end-to-end encryption. That means nobody checking on your conversations. So I definitely think that this project might be the next Web3 Telegram. Next up, we have collect points while chatting, but about that a little bit later, so don't click off. And right now, we need to talk about how chats works on this app. So let's check their docs. And I really like that Beoble is a really transparent project, and you can find all the important information here on the docs. Project's overview, all the features, architecture, development, data definition, and additional resources. But right now, let's check one of the project features, chat. So Beoble's development team think that Web3 people have been relying too much on Web2 tools so far when it comes to chatting and messaging. Essentially, Beoble's core value is to allow anyone free to chat in Web3 space in the Web3 way. And you can say that Beoble's is a purely Web3 native messenger, so this means that you don't need kind of stuff like Twitter or Discord logins. On Beoble app, you just need a wallet. Once you are signed in using your wallet, you can immediately start enjoying chat features. And then they present the app features. You simply log in using wallets. You can send text, images, video, links, and files. You can send emoji, NFT stickers, normal stickers, and import stickers from Telegram. You can create encrypted DMs, encrypted group chats, public group chat, channels, and topics, hashtags, chat rooms. You can react and reply to messages. And lastly, you can update chat room settings, mute notifications, etc. So as I said before, it's really exciting to see how Beoble is revolutionizing the way we interact in the Web3 space, making chatting more accessible and secure for everyone. So as I mentioned in the start of the video, I think Beoble app will be the next Web3 Telegram. If we scroll down a little bit more, we have token-gated chat rooms, which I think is very cool. So you can create various chat rooms with different filters, which let chat only those users who matches the unique filters. So for example, we can see that we can create a chat room just for NFT holders. And if you want to be this chat room member, you need to select one or more NFT from your collection. Step 2, only allow chat access from wallets with one or more Pudgy Penguins and Lil Pudgy. So this means you can basically add any NFT in Web3 you like and simply plug those NFTs into this app. And here they present some of the examples, so if you are interested to learn more, please check those out after my video. So it is a super simple click-to-gate chat rooms, and you can create complicated rules using or and between rules. Then we have spam filtering on-chain data. The awesome part is that you can use the token transaction rule to filter spammers or scammers from DMing you or inviting you to weird group chat. Methods are exactly the same, so you can potentially set it in a way that only someone with at least half of Ethereum in their wallets and 20 transactions can send DMs. So this feature adds a whole new level of security and control to your messaging experience. By leveraging tokens and transaction rules, you have the power to customize your settings according to your preference and security needs. It's empowering to know that that you can tailor your communication environment to suit your individual requirements, helping you to stay safe and focused on meaningful interaction within the Web3 space. And now let's jump to the fun part, earn. So by earning points, CAT bring various benefits within the Beoble apps, such as feature airdrops or access to premium features. Thus, points are precious as it is the only source of CAT airdrop. So let's see how to earn points. So we can see that there is several ways how to earn in chatroom engagement and loyalty tasks. So chatroom engagement divides into chatroom share, which means every chatroom has a small entrance fee and those points are distributed to the top contributors. Factors that determine contribution includes hashtag of reaction and hashtag of messages. Then another part is super reactions. This means another way of earning in a chatroom is throughout receiving these reactions. Other users can send you points by reacting to your chat with Beoble sushis. And then talking about loyalty tasks, we have daily tasks. So it means some examples of tasks includes logging in, following more friends, saying GM. Then we have referral. Beoble is a lot more fun with friends. That's why we are aware of a good amount of points upon every successful referral. And lastly, bonuses. More ways to earn points are coming soon. Keep an eye out for them. So basically, Beoble says the baseline of the overall earning feature is simple. Use the app and be active and contributing user. There will be more and more earning sources in the future, but as the current moment, we have summarized earning sources as below. Earn from chatroom contribution, earn from completing daily and weekly tasks, earn from bonus rewards, and earn from games. So you can always check out your current progress and rewards in the Reward Center tab inside the app. So here you can see the picture how everything looks. And if we scroll down, we can see earning sources one by one explained. So if you are interested, read them after my video. Next feature is follow. The follow feature on Beoble does two things. It lets you add people as contact and keeps tabs on their wallet activity. When you follow someone, they show up more often in searches and you get better suggestions. Plus, you can join a chat room where you can talk about transactions with others. It's a different way to track your money compared to other tools. This feature not only enhances social connection but also provides valuable insights into financial activities, fostering a collaborative environment for users to learn and discuss. And lastly, we have Discover. Beoble's Discover feature makes it easy for people who own tokens and NFTs to find others like them. It looks at your wallet and puts you in the right group automatically. You can also check out Discover section to find more people in the Web3 world, like suggested chat rooms, users, and people you have traded with. It's all about making it simpler to connect with others in this space. This feature not only simplifies network but also helps users expand their knowledge and connections within the token and NFT community, fostering a vibrant and engaging ecosystem. And actually, when I researched this project, I could tell it has a huge potential to become the next 100x project because of the project potential to grow, and it also has support from big investors like Digital Currency Group, Samsung Next, Heskey Capital, and Protocol Labs. These investors looked at all the information and documents and decided to invest in Beoble's success. Having big names backing up the project is a good sign, or we can say it's a green flag. Also, a huge strategic investment is going to be announced today on 7th of March. So definitely follow all the Beoble social media. Also, as I mentioned before, Beoble is very transparent. They have a team that's open about who they are. So we have CEO Sungmin Cho, 2 co-founders, product designer, and 2 engineers. And if we click on the picture, we can see that they have short introduction about previous work and link to the Twitter and LinkedIn. So if you want to know more about the team members, you can click these links and learn more about their past experience. And now let's talk about the fun part, price predictions. So first thing I want to mention before commenting on the chart is that Beoble token is listed on an A-tier exchanges. Additionally, the token's growing presence on big exchanges bodes well to its liquidity and accessibility to a wider range of investors, potentially influencing its price trajectory positively. And if we check how the charts looks and select all time, we can see that this token token is really stable. Market cap of this project is more than $21 million, and today's trading volume is actually even bigger number, more than $22 million, which I think is really insane and a really big number. And we can see that at the launch date, this project skyrocketed to the all-time highs where token costed 0.4053, and now we can see that this price is lower at 0.1983. So right now, guys, is actually a great opportunity to invest into this project before this year bull run. So that's why I think this could become next 100x token, and I definitely see the potential here. But as always, this is not a financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. So guys, I believe Beoble is an innovative Web3 native messaging app that's revolutionizing communication in the crypto space. Moreover, with Beoble app, you can earn passive income, which is highly appealing to all of us in the crypto community. Additionally, this project is backed by prominent investors and boasts a transparent team, indicating significant potential for growth. With a list of the top-tier exchanges and a stable price history, it presents as an intriguing opportunity for investors to potentially achieve substantial returns, possibly becoming the next 100x token. So I will leave all the links in the description, and if you have any questions about this project, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto videos and join my free Telegram group. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.